welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making a spooky Halloween wreath out of 3 small wreath forms. I am so excited. I love making wreaths, you guys, so I cannot wait to show you guys what we are going to do today. Alright, so let's get to it.
First, we're going to start with our supplies. So we're going to start with 3 small wreath forms, 3 rows of tulle, a bunch of spooky embellishments, and a glue gun. Next, we're going to take as much tulle as you want to, and we're going to cut it and attach it to our wreath forms. And how we're going to do that is that we are going to fold it over our finger and make it folded over so we can fold it under the wreath form. And then we're going to basically put the rounded end and the 2 loose ends together and make a knot around the wreath form. We're going to keep doing this until the wreath form is filled to your liking. And this should be one of the finished products, and continue to do the same pattern to the next 2 wreath forms. Once you're done filling all of your wreaths, you can start to put all of these spooky embellishments on them. And since I wanted some skeleton hands that glow in the dark to be on my wreath, I decided to connect my wreath by the hands of the skeletons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue onto the tulle in the place where I want my skeleton hand to go. I'm going to put the hot glue on there, and then I'm going to press down, and I'm going to make sure that the hand and the tulle are covered in the glue, but not too much, but just enough for it to stick together. And here is our final product, a spooky, scary Halloween wreath that is sure to delight children and adults alike. Thank you so much for viewing my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to check out queenpdwrites.com. Thank you guys. Have a great one.